Sir, this is the rule number 32. Whistle. Any sound signaling appliances capable of producing the prescribed blast. Short blast. A blast of 1 second in duration, and prolonged blast. A blast of 4 to 6 seconds duration. Rule number 32 provides the basis for sound signals used to indicate intentions or positions in Rule 34 and 35. Then Rule 33 says vessels 12 meters or more in length should carry a whistle and a bell. And vessel 100 meters or more in length should carry in addition a gong. 12 or more meters is whistle required. Less than 12 meters, no specific equipment mandate but must have an efficient sound signaling device.
Rule number 34. Converse maneuvering and warning signals using whistle or lights. Letter A. When vessels are in sight of one another, a power-driven vessel underway when maneuvering as authorized or required by the rules shall indicate of maneuvering by the following signals on the whistle. Letter B. Any vessels may supplement the whistle signals prescribed in paragraph of the rule by light signals repeated as appropriate while the maneuvering is being carried out. Letter C. When in sight of one another in a narrow channel or fairway, a vessel intending to overtake another shall in compliance with the rule A indicate her intention by following signals on her whistle. So, last, letter D. When vessels in sight of one another are approaching each other and from any cause either vessel fails to understand the intentions or actions of the another or indicate that with other sufficient action is being taken by the another to avoid collusion. The vessels in doubt shall immediately indicate such that by giving at least 5 short and rapid blasts on the whistle. So, what is covers maneuvering and warning signals using whistle or lights? So, maneuvering and warning signals, the use of whistle and lights by shape to show their movements and warn one another's to prevent collusion. So, maneuvering signals used when vessels are in sight of one another. So, nasa tulo ka buok. Short blast, I'm altering my course to starboard, the right. 2. Short blast, I'm altering my course to port, the left. So, the left na po siya. Number 3, the short blast, I'm operating astern pollution, going backward na po siya. So, warning signals. Or more short blast, danger or dove, used when you don't understand another vessel's intention or their rest.
Rule 35 covers sound signals to be used in restricted visibility. Sound signals in restricted visibility apply in near areas of restricted visibility, whether by day or night. This does not include the darkness of blast is for 1 second and prolonged blast is for between 4 and 6 seconds.
Converse signals to be used to be attract attention. Number 2, any lights to be attracted the attention of another vessel should be such that it cannot be mistaken for any aid to be in navigation for the purpose of this rule. The use of height, intensity, intermittent, or revolving heights such as strobe lights should be avoided. Correct Rule 36 allow the vessel to use the lights or sound signals to be attract the attention of another vessel, provided they cannot be mistaken for authorized navigation lights or signals. These signals must not cause embarrassment, interference to other vessels, and high intensity intermittent strobe lights should be avoided.
Good day, sir. I'm Joel Manimog. This is our report all about distress signals rules 37. Okay, what are rules 37? What are the international distress signals? Natay 15 kabok signals na pwedeng gamiton if natay emergency. Kanunhan, then the spoken word may descend by radio telephony. Wave outer shed, arms slowly up and down. Red parachute or hand flare. Orange smoke, morsels by radio or any other signaling method. Naputay gun or noise at the 1 minute intervals. O continuous sounds with fog signal. Flames or smoke. Rocket or shells throwing red star at the short interval. Code flags in E and C. A square shape above or below a ball shape. 5. Emergency position in calling radio beacon. Start research and rescue radar and transponder. Radio telegraph alarm signal DSC. Radio telephone alarm signal DEC o day marker. Okay. What are meaning of my day? My day muna is spoken emergency call by radio. Ang source po siya muna ay Morse code in distress signals muna siya gamiton. Ang DESC alarm, automatic digital distress alert na kanang automatic na siya motingog ug nay panganib or kuan nya. Ari na punta sa red flames or rockets. Bright red light in the sky or pahibalo. Orange smoke, visible and daytime. Flames or smoke fire on board. Day marker. Colors the water hazy green or orange. Square at ball shape visual distress signals. Gunshot explosive sounds every minute. Continuous or honor fog signal. Ang body signals, waving arm or slowly up and down kanang mag saka-saka imong kamot, saka hinahinay, saka ubos. Ang flag signals in and C together means I am in distress. Emergency equipment FRIB send distress signal by satellite or star, and star helps rescuer locate your own radar. Moro to. Thank you, sir.